Okay, this is the old app.
The
Hmm.
current app.
I mean, yeah, the current app. Yeah, my bad.
Okay. So let's open up one of the applications. So
No,
you could
don't
click
click there.
you
Oh,
could you could click on the yeah.
Okay.
that's the reason why we put the link.
Yeah, I know. Old habit.
Okay. So this goes to the job postings because you can see the job posting over there on the right, on the left, I mean. No, no, not the tab. You
Oh,
see
what
it
am
on the left,
oh, yeah.
job posting? No, no. So you have a field there called job posting,
Oh
and
yeah,
it's
yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah. So you click on that, right? And this is your job posting, right? And here you put in your company name here. So what's the problem with this?
It doesn't follow Salesforce best practices
And what's the problem here that you're putting in the company name?
I think we're supposed to use account.
No, I know we're supposed to use it, but why? Why is that better than this?
because of the parent-child stuff.
Explain it. Explain it.
Okay, because if you have the company name in the account object, then all the people who work for that particular company would be in the contact object. So it just makes it easier to link the two together rather than the way we currently structured this.
I'm not so sure about that. What do you think, Happiness?
Um, oh, what am I thinking in terms of what is wrong with this here?
Yeah, what's wrong with company name being there versus an account?
Um, hmm. Well, from from what I got from the previous session and from what I am recalling it with my studies as well, is that this is not the best practice in Salesforce.
Hmm.
If we had the company name into the account, this will be great in terms of the relationships in Salesforce, like the parents and child relationship. For example, in the account, for the account, we can have as many people applying to the same company. Uh,
Yeah, and many people applying to the same company.
uh,
So I'm just trying to see what you're missing, why you didn't understand this should be a account. What is the advantage of this being an account versus a field on the job posting?
Well, well, there was one question you didn't ask.
Hmm.
Why we did it this way, besides the fact that ChatGPT told us to do it this way.
Yeah, that's why you did it.
Well, no, but there was another reason why.
Okay, why?
Because go to um accounts, happy. Let's see.
oh, okay.
ACC, right there. Go to all accounts or whatever. Okay, now click new. Oh, wait a minute. That didn't work. Maybe try contacts. Try contact object. See, that's what it was. Okay. See, the contact, we have a specific record type that has nothing to do with our job app. So we was just didn't want to go through the trouble of
Wait.
trying. What? Wait, what?
What? I don't think so, Jermaine.
Why
I think
not?
we only followed ChatGPT.
Say it again?
I think we only followed ChatGPT.
No, because we already checked this first before we did the chat GPT.
Okay. I need to show you why there's an advantage to use the account and to link the account to the job posting because you're not 100% there yet. X this out. Okay, go back to that job posting you had before.
Oh, I'm actually home.
Okay. Could you go to the right where the down arrow is near new case record on the top right side?
Top right.
No, more further where the buttons are. You see the down arrow?
Oh, this one here?
Yeah. Let me see if there's okay, you see clone?
Oh, 1 second. Lawn, yes.
Click it. Okay. So let's change this to Salesforce Administrator 2. So just put a 2. Save it. Okay. Clone this again. Okay. Make it 3. Save it. Okay. So this company is in 3 different job postings for 3 different job titles, right?
Okay.
What happens if you screwed up the company name and instead of calling it Bloom Fire, it's actually Bloomfield? What would
Uh,
what would you have to do before you do it?
can you ask that question one more time, Luke?
Okay, you have 3 job postings with Bloom Fire in it, right? No? Do you remember?
Yes, we have 3 job postings with
Ooh.
Bloomfire.
Actually, can you check the internet?
Yeah. Can you hear us,
It says my
Happiness?
internet is stable. Yeah, I'm kind of losing you.
Oh,
I can't really.
Wait, is it?
It my computer keeps saying the internet isn't stable.
The internet's
that's
fine.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
That
You,
that's
you need
that's
you need a new
Otherwise,
computer.
otherwise they would be breaking up, but they're not breaking up. You can hear them perfectly.
They are
yeah.
working.
You need a new computer. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so you created 3 job postings for Bloom Fire, right?
Yep.
Why don't you just show it? Go to job postings, click on job postings,
I think you put
okay,
on
and do all.
thing.
New?
No,
Oh,
all.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay. And click on company name on top there. No, company name.
This one?
There you go. Yeah. Okay. You see the 3 Bloom Fire
Blue.
ones?
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3.
And because they have 3 different admin positions. See on the right?
Yeah.
Suppose if the name of the company wasn't Bloom Fire, it was something else. Suppose it was Bloomfield, right?
okay.
What would you have to do to change the name?
Go to company name and change the name.
Yeah, yeah, on the whole job posting.
How many times would you have to do it?
Well,
Three.
depending on which ones, it should be Bloom Fire or
I think
Bloom.
No, I'm
three
saying
times.
the name of the company is not right. It should be Bloomfield.
Well, excuse me.
You're
You
gonna
would
have
have to do it 3 times.
awesome. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Open up one of the
No, I get what you're saying. If you did it on the account object, you would only have to do it once.
but does Happiness know that? Do you know that, Happiness?
Uh, no, what? Sorry.
Explain to her, Jermaine.
Okay, if the name of the company is wrong, it's not Bloom Fire, it's Bloomfield, you have to change it 3 times the way it's currently in its current format.
Yeah.
However, if we did it on the account object, the company name, and we just changed the company name on the account object, you only had to change it once for it to populate 3 times.
Yeah, that's right. I think. Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's demonstrate that. Open up one of those Bloom fires. Okay, add a new field.
New field?
Mm-hmm. Okay, and that'll be your account field. So to look up to account.
Oh. Oh,
Do a
look up.
lookup,
Oh, look up. Oh, okay. Look up. Let's look up.
a look down.
Mhm.
Oh, next.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Try it again.
Oops. Okay.
Like forever, forever and ever and ever to forever.
Can I make it visible to everyone?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Those are good checks.
Okay.
Okay. Now go back to your job posting. Refresh it. Okay. And where did you put the account? It was where?
On the job posting.
I'm saying the field. Where is the field?
Scroll down.
Okay, so didn't appear yet,
Go
right?
to go
Yeah.
to classic and go to job posting.
I think it was this one.
Anyone is good.
Now edit. See down there at the bottom, account.
Oh, yeah, account.
So type in Bloomfire. Okay, save.
Oh, oh my God. What did I
Okay,
do?
that's okay. You click on Bloomfire,
Fire.
save it. Okay, now go back to um the lightning. All right, let's see if it's there. That's the company name, but that's not
Scroll
good. But
down.
scroll down. Okay, so it didn't show up. That's fine.
Refresh the page one more time.
Maybe I have to log out and log
No,
back.
no,
Yeah.
no, don't do that yet. Do an edit page. It should be on the oh, I see. This doesn't give you the data. Okay, that's fine. Go back. Okay, just try refreshing it one more time. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, don't worry about this. Go to Bloomfire the account.
Yeah,
And
going to the account.
why don't you add account to this
Oh, this.
to
Yeah,
yeah.
as one of the objects. Add account.
Okay. 1 second. This total job hunting.
The first one.
Oh,
Mhm.
just a couple.
Put that above home. I mean above job posting. So it should be
Uh,
home and then accounts right
no
there.
contact.
No, home right there. That's fine. Yeah, you
Mhm.
know what? Put contacts while you're at it. And put that underneath accounts. There you go. Now save it.
Okay. You go back now.
Yeah, I might need to log.
There it goes. Oh, oh no, I thought it was there. Sorry.
Yeah, I think I have to log out.
Yeah, you might have to.
Yeah.
This is a no.
Okay, good. So when you click on accounts, now don't do anything yet. So let's click on Bloomfire. Okay. Now scroll it down. You see it says job postings down there.
Yep.
Why does it say job posting?
Because we've made we made job posting as a lookup
Okay. And why aren't the other two here?
because we have to do it that manually as well.
You mean you do what?
Oh no, we didn't create a lookup relationship.
You didn't create a lookup relationship, but you did, didn't you?
We only did for one job posting, but we have those are like totally different job posting.
So you're saying, what are you saying that you have to not create, you have to add the Bloomfire to the job posting.
On fire to job posting.
Okay. What are you missing? Why aren't the other ones there? Scroll down. Where are the other two?
You
Because you
know,
have three of them, right?
yeah. Jermaine, what do you think?
I'm sorry, I stepped away for a second. What happened?
Why, Louis asking why we don't have the other Bloomfire job posting, the other two, because we have three of them, but now we only have one. What about the other two?
Well, you have to make it look up to a contact. I mean, to the account for the other two. So hold on. That's job 003. What is that? 5?
Mhm.
Okay. Go back to job postings. Do company by company. Okay, you already do it by company name.
Okay, so add a new field here.
Oh, new field.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, 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 to the list.
Oh, to the list. I have to edit.
No, no, no. That's not how you do that. How do you add a new, how do you add a new column here?
Oh, add new column. Hmm. A column?
Hmm.
You mean
You was close by it.
I am?
Yeah.
Oh,
You see that gear? No, 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 no. The gear next to the search this list. The gear.
this one?
That one.
Hmm.
New?
No, that's a new listing.
Oh, I don't think I've ever done this before.
Oh, oh, you never done this before?
No, I don't think so.
I'm sure you must have done it, or Jermaine might have done it
I have done
while
it
we were doing.
before.
But I'm
Do
saying
search fields to display.
select
Oh,
fields.
I mean select. Sorry.
select field to display?
Hmm.
Okay,
Uh,
add account. Okay, and put that right underneath the company. Okay, save it. Now click on company name. Okay. Which Bloom fire is missing the accounts?
these two. This one and this.
Right. So
Uh,
let's add the account to those two Bloom fires.
No, just click on the job.
I'm gonna click on this
Yeah,
job
just click on the
here,
job.
and then
Scroll all the way down. Account. Change that to search account or Bloomfire. No, just put Bloomfire.
Save it. Okay. Change the other one. No, no. In the no, no.
okay.
Go. Yeah, go to all. Okay. Now, if you go back to your job posting list, hmm and you could pin this, by the way. Just click on the pin. So you don't have to keep on doing this.
You got a
There you
pen
go.
here. Oh, this is a high school stuff. Oh, you gonna wear my pen?
Okay. Now, if you click on Bloomfire,
Oh, this bonfire?
yeah. So that's one advantage, right? You can't click on the other Bloomfire because it doesn't bring you here, but this brings you to the account, right? And you see three job postings,
Yeah.
right?
Was
Now, first of all, this page kind of looks not too good, right?
yeah.
How would you change this so that it'll look better?
Uh,
What's
we
your
can have
ideas?
to edit the page.
Okay, how would you do that? Go ahead.
Oh, edit the page. And then we're gonna have to edit the related section.
Well, yep, what are you going to do?
Hmm. Oh, oh, this is the whole thing. Uh, I think, give me a sec. I think we're gonna have to add a new tab. That's what I'm thinking. A new
Why?
tab. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. That's my idea.
No,
What do
a
you
new
think?
tab is not
Okay.
necessary.
Okay.
Just clean up this one. First of all, where should job postings be at?
Um, well, oh, you mean, what do you think we should do? That was what
Move
I was
job
thinking.
postings up,
Okay,
first of all. So you can move that up. Get rid of partners, cases. You don't need those.
and how am I gonna do it? I think they're both linked, unrelated.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking we can create an
No, you don't need to do that. So
okay.
how would you get rid of some of these, like say partners?
Uh well, I mean, I just throw my idea. You said that's not how you do it, so I don't know.
No, what was your idea?
My idea was sure create a new
No,
tab
no, no,
here.
no. There's no need to create a new anything.
Jermaine, you're
I just
asking for
said.
my
Let
idea.
I
her
That's
said.
not
do it,
helping me.
I'm
Jermaine.
sorry. So she
Go
asked
ahead.
for help. Okay, go ahead.
Create a new tab.
Okay, so this is what I was thinking, and then um after creating this new tab, um okay, and I am going to add a label. I think it's gonna be a custom label, and then
Mhm.
I am going to call this something like job posting.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, job. Oh, this field is required.
Yeah, yeah, no, just click out of
Oh,
it.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, and then done. And then I was thinking to add uh, a dynamic related list.
Hmm.
Okay. I think this one. Ooh.
You have to drag it.
Oh yeah, I have to drag it. Okay. Huh. And then from here, I think I'm gonna have to add assets.
No, go back
Oh,
up.
go up,
Which related list do you want there?
account. The job
No,
posting.
right. So look at the second one.
The second. Oh, this one here.
We don't want assets. What do you want?
Oh, job posting.
Yeah.
It's this one.
Hmm.
Okay. But it's not changed.
It did change.
It did?
Well, look at the display. What does it say
Oh,
in there?
oh, it says job posting number.
Right. So what else do you want? What are the fields? Columns.
Um, um,
And where do you add it?
a column. Oh, over here.
Hmm.
Okay. So I think over here I can add the company name.
No, because we know this is Bloomfire. You see it up top
Oh
there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, the job. Jermaine, what do you think?
Well, the title, you want the title.
Oh yeah, title done.
What else? Add some more.
Okay, one sec.
Whether or not this is a hybrid position or whatever. Where is that?
Okay. Job starters. Oh, job starts. Oh,
No, not the job
no.
source.
Uh, type?
I think it's type, right? What did
Yeah.
you guys name the one that has hybrid in office or remote? Is it type?
I think it was type. What do you think, Jermaine? What was it?
It was type.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Click on it. Done. And what about the salary?
Hold on, do we have anything linked to the job application?
Hold
Oh,
on, one thing at a time, Jermaine, one thing at a time. Oh, you didn't put the salary in the posting? Scroll it down.
we only have
Yeah,
salary in my
Yeah.
phone.
yeah, salary min and max. That's fine.
Oh, okay, I can pick one.
Wait a minute.
Two.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, no, don't do it that way because
Why?
see, okay, because we set it up as to where, remember, hold on, we put temp and think, okay, no, you know what? You can go ahead and do it that way because you know why? When you pick temp or contract, it's going to go and show you the hourly rate. So that's fine. Yeah, go
That's
ahead.
true. To put min
Yeah.
and max.
Okay, both of them. Okay. Both of them?
Yeah, you should know what the min and max of the salary is.
Yeah.
And then put the hourly in case if it's an hourly rate. Okay. Okay. Now, it looks better now, but what else do you might need to do on the display?
Um,
No, no, not the columns. I'm saying the display.
on the display. Okay. Uh, I think this is good. I'm gonna have to remove related.
Yeah, you can remove that. How do you do that?
But you want to add something. See, this, well, go ahead. Do it the way you was going to do it.
Okay, I'm gonna go to related. Oh, should I save it first?
However, it
Hmm.
doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh, not related. And I'm going to take this out.
Okay.
Okay. And does this does it matter to be like this? Put
That's
your
fine
person
if you want to do
together?
it that way.
Oh. And then I think
Hold on, click on details. That's the thing you should be looking. That should be the main one.
No, because when you come here, you really want to see your job postings, not the account information first.
Hold on. So wait a minute. When you click on the job posting,
Hmm.
right, and then you click on the job posting number or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. Go back to job posting. Okay.
Yeah,
But
I think you,
but to me, there's something missing.
well, first of all, put the job posting number at the end, not at the beginning.
okay.
No, 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 no. Go back to
Oh,
the job.
like that?
Oh, okay. You see the job posting inside
Oh yeah, the job posting.
the
Okay.
number. We want to
Okay,
move it to the end.
okay, got it.
Okay, now save this. Okay, go back so that we can see the display. And let's see what Jermaine is talking about.
Okay.
You might have to log back in and out.
Hmm. I don't think I should have ate that. Okay.
Yeah, accounts, accounts, Bloomfield, Bloomfire. Refresh this.
Oh, I is it because
Oh,
you didn't activate it?
Yeah.
that could be it.
But
Yeah.
hold on. Because see, okay. Don't we want something that has also account contacts? And now I have another question because do we really need the opportunity object in this job posting app?
Well, let her fix the
No,
screen
I'm just
first.
asking a question real quick. Is the opportunity really needed?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
You
All right.
you would you should use it, but you're not going to just yet. Do
Okay.
edit page.
Hmm. Now you got
Okay.
to redo everything
Oh
since
no.
since you did it the way you was doing it. There's an
And you
easier way though.
the
But
problem was that you didn't activate
right.
Oh,
this,
you're getting this
but
is a-
but but you're going to need to change the page name because you see how this is account record page on the top, all the way to the top in the blue,
Up top.
in the blue
Up
blue
top. Up
banner.
top. Up top. Up
Blue,
top. Up top.
Oh,
Right there.
right. So the problem here is um is that this account record page should be different for a landlord and should be different for a household account. So there are multiple accounts, not just the account of an employer, right? Because this is an employer view. You understand what I'm saying? It's not a
mhm.
landlord view, right? Because the landlord would have different things here. You see what I mean? Like for instance, what would a landlord have that shouldn't be here?
Let's
Cases.
Right, cases. What else?
Partners.
Think what a landlord is.
The landlord might would have partners.
What else? What's the first thing a landlord has to be a landlord?
Buildings.
Right, to have
I'll be
buildings.
right back. Just 1 second.
You should know that, Jermaine. You
Yeah.
can't be a landlord without a building,
I'll be back.
right?
Okay.
So how come the first thing comes into mind is partners rather than buildings?
Well, that wasn't the first thing I said. Cases, but
I know, cases. Well, yeah, of course you're gonna have cases, but you need the buildings before you have a case. This is why you guys got to keep on going into Salesforce and doing things because, it's almost like you're going back to the basics here.
well, I was just trying to get around that record type thing because I thought that record type thing was annoying. So and it didn't apply
Bye.
to our.
Yeah, but you see how much you forgot from the very beginning. It's just because you're not practicing, you know. Okay, so we want to create a new record page. That's the problem. You see the pages that are up there on the blue banner? It says pages.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this
Drop
one here.
drop that down. Let me see it. Okay, account record page is what you're on. Okay, that's fine.
A
All right.
job posting record page.
No, we're not in job posting. We're in accounts.
No, I know we're in accounts, but can't you click on job posting record page?
No, because then you'll be in job posting.
Okay.
We're in accounts.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So how would you create a new account page that is specific for this account?
Um, was it a new record page?
Well, let me to make sure that you guys understand. You understand the situation, right?
Uh, yeah. I think I did. I was I actually stepped out a little bit, but the way I did understand is that this is not the right account record page.
Well, the layout's not the correct one.
Mm. Can you explain to me again, please?
Okay. We're trying to create a record page for an account record page for whom? What kind of account?
Bloomfire?
No, that's the name of the account. But what kind of account is Bloomfire?
Uh, the job application?
No, it's not a job application. It is a what? What kind of account? Bloomfire is a
A company.
what kind of company? Because the landlord could be a company too.
Oh,
Like
it's a
like
Salesforce company.
no, Bloomfire
Okay.
is a what are you doing? You are doing what? You are
Hmm.
what are
Um,
you're searching for
a loop?
mhm.
You
I
got
think
to
I'm
have
having,
a, you
I
got to
think
have it. If
I'm
you'll
having,
be with
oh,
me.
hello?
Yeah, could you hear me?
Yeah, I think I'm having an issue with my computer. I'm gonna uh get out.
You want to
I'm
reboot?
gonna reset my computer and log in back.
Okay,
Yeah.
In the
sounds good.
meantime, let me share my thing. It was just ain't nothing going on with the red.
So what kind of account is Bloomfire?
You got to have a job if you
But
want to be
it wouldn't be called a job account. What would it be?
a job posting.
No, if you were going to say new account, what would you pick?
If I was gonna say a new account,
No, I
okay,
know it's going to be new account. There is it. Do you know how we could have new landlord account, new what
tenant.
account? No, no, that those are contacts.
Oh, I'm
We
sorry. New. Oh my God, I'm drawing a blank. Give me a second.
What is the person that hires you? They are your
Employer.
right, and you employer account. You get it?
Yeah.
You're trying to apply to an employer.
Well, yeah, a job. That's what I said. But
No,
an
you don't
employer,
do
I
new
get.
job account, new employer.
Okay.
So you need a what?
Employer record type.
Right. See, Jermaine, this is why you have to continue to do this again and again so you understand what you're doing. Make sense?
Yeah.
Because without actually doing it, it goes in one ear, out the other until
Goes
you
in
do it
one ear,
often
out
enough.
the other. Oh. Oh, hey. Right. I got you. Okay. So we got to do um job postings.
Well,
Okay.
before you do, happiness, you're here?
Yes.
Okay, Jermaine, click on accounts and do all. Okay. Now you see these accounts?
Yeah.
What kind of accounts do you see here from those accounts that are listed? What type of accounts are they?
Well, you got a mixture of household Um, Landlord account,
Okay.
and obviously a couple of employer accounts.
Right. Do you understand that happiness? You understand Bloomfire? What kind of account is it?
Oh, an employer?
And why is it an employer? Why do we call it an employer account?
Because this company is hiring people.
And therefore, you're going to have job postings from that company.
Yeah.
And an employer will have job postings.
Mm-hmm.
Will a landlord have job postings?
No.
No, but what will they have? They will have buildings.
Yes.
You see the difference?
Oh yeah, now I see the difference.
But this is why I'm saying you guys have to continue to do this again and again and again, because if you don't do it, it doesn't make sense to you, or without practice, you don't really understand it. So
Mhm.
therefore, if we have these different kinds of accounts, what do we need to make that distinction? That when you say new, it gives you the kind of accounts that you're looking to do. What do you think, Happiness? If Jermaine says
Uh,
new,
mhm.
what will happen?
I think it will show us different page layouts.
When you say show different page layouts, you think it's going to give us a page layout?
Oh no. It is going to give us uh hmm. Well, I am not sure.
Okay, Jermaine, what do you think is going to happen when you say new?
If I say new, it'll just bring up an account page like to fill in, but it's gonna it doesn't distinguish whether it's a landlord or an
Employer
employer.
or
Right. It
customer?
doesn't right. It doesn't distinguish
Why not?
Oh,
because we don't have a specific layout for it.
No, you don't have a record type.
Record type for it. Well, the layout without the record type, you can't have a record type without the first
I
layout.
know. I'm just
Oh,
saying, without you could have layouts, by the way,
wait, but without right, but
but
without the
without the
requisite
record type, you
type.
can't choose which one.
Right.
Does that make sense, Happiness?
yeah.
But you see why it's important to do this again and again and again and ask the questions, because otherwise it's going to be very difficult for you to learn and remember the information,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to do the record types?
She is. Oh, she
What?
needs to practice. You need to practice.
No, Jermaine, I can't believe it.
No, I'm serious.
Okay, fine.
The more repetition, the better you get at it.
Okay,
I
then
know how to
fine.
do that. I already know how to do that stuff.
Okay, let me
Jermaine
do
says
my
he knows how to do it, but he had a hard time
Just
telling us.
remembering it. But I know how to do a record type. But before you could do a record type, you have to do the page layout. Then once you do the
That's
page layout, then you can do the record type.
see, Jermaine wasn't
okay one.
sleeping all the time, just most of the time.
Oh, 1 second. I'm logging into my Salesforce here.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Um, so what are we doing now?
So remember, you recap to us what we're doing.
Oh, Jermaine,
What's the
can you
problem?
recap it for me?
No, no, no. That's for you, Happiness, because we want to make sure that you're following it and that you're concentrating on what we're doing. What were we in before?
We were on the accounts.
Okay. And what's the problem with the accounts?
Um, we we really don't have specific um layout for the companies.
Well, looking at that list, what kind of companies are there?
So we have different companies. We have a landlord company,
Mm-hmm.
an employer company. We also
Mm-hmm.
have food company.
And you have a household. That's
Yeah,
your
household. Yeah.
Alvarado household, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So if you said new, what will happen
Um, if
without clicking?
okay, if we click new, there will be hmm, there will be a form with field.
What what will happen?
There will be a new page will open up.
A new page will
I
open up.
mean, yeah, that we have
Okay.
to fill in the information,
Okay. Now, why wouldn't the list of different types come up?
a list of different types,
Yeah, go to contacts and click new.
contacts, and new.
Do you
Ah,
see this list?
yeah.
But that's not going to happen with account. Why not?
Um, it's because we didn't set up.
What is this a list of?
This is the list of record types.
Right. So you have to have record types before you get this list.
Yeah.
You understand that, right?
Oh, we need to have the list of record type first.
You have to create the record types before you could get the list, because otherwise, how does it know what to put up? You see? You get it?
Yeah, so we need record type.
So cancel this. Go back to accounts. Click new. So why does it come here versus giving us a list? It's because what?
Because we don't have the record type first.
Right. So it gives you just this page. That doesn't
Yeah,
make sense. You see?
yeah.
Cancel this. How do you add a record type to accounts?
Um, okay. Gonna edit object
Hmm.
and then record type.
Okay, now before you do it, what do we need to do with the record type? We have to link the record type to a page layout.
Yeah.
Do you have a page layout?
Oh, we don't have the page layout first.
So just create some page layouts.
Oh, yeah, because we need to link the record types to the page layout.
Right.
Okay. Page layout. We're gonna create a new layout.
Yeah, new layout. So so remember that box that pops up. What do you want to uh, what do you want to see in it? What kind of accounts? You're going to say new, and then it's going to give you what kind of accounts do you want to see?
Uh, wait, you mean this box here?
No, I'm saying when you go new account,
Yeah.
remember how you were in the account and you said new and it went to some page?
Yeah.
Well, we wanted to not go to some page. We wanted to give us a list of what kind of accounts to create.
Ah,
What kind of account do you want to create?
uh, Com com company.
No, let's go back and do it again. Go back to your app. It's on the top. If you say new accounts, do new. What kind of list do you want to see before coming here?
Oh,
Do
the
you want
list of record types?
to, yeah, but what are those record types? Cancel this. What what kind of records do you see there? What is Bloomfire?
This is the company name.
Yes, it's a company name, but they're all company names. But what kind of company is it?
Oh, the employer company.
Okay, and what's the taste of food?
Oh, it's a food company.
Well, no, what kind of
Oh,
it's a what is it? Oh, Taste Craft Food, that is a customer.
ah,
Drop it
oh,
down so you get all instead of recently viewed.
yeah.
Okay, what's the last company?
A household?
No,
Oh, real
Burkhardt
estate.
Realty. It's a landlord.
Oh, landlord. Okay.
Okay, and what's Togutu Alvarado?
Oh, that's a household?
Okay, what are these called? These are called types, and they're record types.
Oh, yeah, record types.
Okay, now I'd like you to open up a some kind of pad that we could write on.
Okay. Mm, gonna,
Okay, what are the types of accounts do we have here? You
uh,
named them already.
okay. We have the employer,
Mm-hmm.
we have the customer,
Mm-hmm.
landlord, landlord, household.
Okay. So we really need four different page layouts and four different landlords. I mean record types, right?
Oh yeah, so we need four different record types and four different page layouts.
Right. Do you see how you need to do this?
Yeah. Now,
Because because when you get to edit object, you're so confused, you don't know what to do. You see?
yeah.
Okay, now go back to accounts and do edit objects and create the page layouts. Okay, you got that.
Okay.
So what are the page layouts you need?
Employer.
Hmm.
What about this one?
No, that's where you're starting with something. You could click on account. That's fine.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then I'm gonna click save.
Yeah. And create the other one. You could do, yeah,
New.
click
Look,
on, yeah.
look, real quick. What is that feed based lay? What is that? Click on page layout.
Hmm.
Now click new. Do the second layout. Now
Now you,
underneath, sorry,
yeah,
go ahead. Yeah, account. Yeah.
yep, go ahead.
Now
He wants you,
notice, hold on, don't click save. See where it says feed based layout? Click on that
mhm.
information next to it. I wish I could see it. No, don't
Uh,
check it. Feed based layouts include, I'm having trouble reading this.
no, no, it's when you have like chatter and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. So never mind.
Yeah,
Okay.
you could say save. Okay. Now we don't need to create the others right now because two is just fine, right? Now you can create your record types because you have two page layouts. What are the two page layouts you have?
We created the employer and customer.
Okay. Just create those two record types.
Account layout?
You have to
Well,
pick the employer.
because you just
Oh, yeah,
created
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
right.
Right.
Yeah, that's why you created the employer
Yeah,
page layout.
got it. Okay, I'm gonna click new, record
Mm,
type.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the top right there. Make it. Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
good. Now try to now just change the employer page layout a little bit.
Oh, the employer page layout?
Mm-hmm. Okay, scroll it down. All right, we don't need the parent account. Let's get that off.
Parent account.
Oh, looks like you can't remove it, can you?
I don't think so.
Can you
Oh,
drag it
interesting.
up to
Yeah.
no? Apparently you can't. No, you can't.
Yeah, we
Mm-hmm.
can.
Interesting. Well, you don't need the fax number. Let's get that out. Okay,
No, like,
that's good.
Also, let me see. Phone.
Well, you could take
Can't
the,
see.
see the account owner, just drag it down into the system info, because we don't
Oh,
need to see it.
account owner here?
Yeah, drag
This.
it down to system info. Yeah. And same thing for the parent account. We don't need to see that. Okay, we could probably keep the rest. You
Hold
could
on.
say,
Type. Hold on. Let me go down. Let me see. You got type, industry, employees. Okay. Yeah. Description. Okay. Do we really need description?
no, but yeah, you could remove it if you want. Just move the
Yeah.
whole section.
Yeah. The whole section.
No, the whole section. Just delete it.
Oh, delete the whole section. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
You probably
Okay.
don't
Yeah.
need, you don't need the billing or shipping either.
Right.
Who cares?
The whole section. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now you could save this.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now let's go to all the accounts again. The top one there. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what happens when you click on Bloom Buyer. Okay. And go to details. Is this what we have? Didn't we get rid of some things?
Ah, we did.
Why is it still here?
Wait for sure.
No, you might have to log out, log back in.
No.
No?
What's the problem?
Um, hmm.
Edit page. Details. Details. Basketball. That
Yeah, we got rid of this.
No, click on it. Let's see. Upgrade now. Right.
No,
No.
cancel this.
Yeah.
What's the problem here?
I thought we wanted to make it dynamic, but okay.
What is the page layout that she's using?
Oh, I know. I know. Okay.
Now, hold on. Happiness. Where would you see the page layout?
Where would
What
I
pa
see the page
the
layout?
name of the page layout?
Oh, we're using account layout, so you need to assign the actual page layout.
You did assign it. What's the problem here?
Oh, but currently we are previewing the account layout. We need to change this.
No, no. What? I think you go back to the original screen. No, no. Go back to the data. Yeah. Okay. Go to details. What kind of account is this?
Oh, this is an employer account.
How do you know?
Because I can see the account name here.
No, that's the account name. That doesn't tell you if it's a
Oh, I can see
customer.
employees
Well, no, look up top.
on top.
Underneath Bloom Fire. What do you see?
On top.
No, underneath Bloom Fire.
Here.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
Jermaine, that type is not the right type.
No, but notice to the right,
right.
billing address. We also got rid of that.
No, no, no. Hold on. This is an account, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of account is it? You're saying it's an employer account, right?
Yes.
How do you know it's an employer account? Because what is it supposed to have to make it an employer account?
It needs to have employees, revenues.
No, 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 no. What did you create to make this an employer account? You created a what?
Oh, I created record type and page layout.
Record type, right? What record type is this?
This is the employer record type.
No,
Oh, this
did
is
you
an
s-
account record type.
no, you didn't set this record type, did you?
Really? I think
When did you when did you set up this as a record type?
oh,
Did
you're
you
right.
say Bloomfire is an employer?
No, I did not.
No, so how do you do that?
We need to edit the page.
You could edit the page, right?
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
no,
yeah, edit the page.
go back. Edit. No, 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 not edit page. No, no, not edit. No, no, no. Okay, you're not understanding. Okay, this is Bloomfire,
Yes.
right? You created a record type called employer, but you didn't tell Bloomfire that you are an employer record type. Did you?
No.
Or in other words, you didn't tell Salesforce that Bloomfire is an employer record type, right?
But
Yeah, I said
so
that.
record type is a what? It is also a field. So you have to change the field called record type to make this an employer record type. How do you do that?
That's really interesting. Um,
Right? Do you understand that record type is also a field, right?
yeah.
So how do you change it? Because it doesn't have a record type name to it. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Do edit, not edit object, just do edit on the right there. No,
Nope.
no, that one. Do you see record type anywhere?
No.
No, cancel. Okay. Jermaine, do you know how to change record type?
See that after new note, there's a down arrow.
Hmm.
This?
Hmm. Change record type.
Yeah. Okay. Now you
Oh,
get the list and you make this a employer and you say next. Okay.
See, Lou,
And
you thought I
notice,
didn't know. Huh?
no, I gave you a chance. There you go. Notice this is your layout. Remember?
yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you can save it. Go back to your details.
Details
Now you have
basketball.
the new one, you see?
Yeah.
Now, if you bring up another one, right, it's not going to look like this
Yes.
because it doesn't have the right record type. You see what I mean?
Mhm.
So go to another account, go to the Work Hard Realty one.
Actually, use the household one, right?
We
Okay.
didn't create it for that. We didn't create any broken type of page layout.
And you didn't create a landlord one. So do Taste Craft Food.
Yeah, we did test craft. Yeah.
Okay, go to details. Okay, so this is the old one.
Yes.
But what record type is it?
Um, it doesn't really say.
Right? So just do change record type. It'll kind of give you something.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can save it. And now go to details. Notice this is not the same as the employer.
Yes.
You see? Now go to related. Scroll down. Why is job postings here if it's not a employer?
Oh.
Excuse
Oh. Oh my God. You know why? I think because we put job posting as a lookup.
No, it is the lookup, of course, but it shouldn't
On
be
the
a lookup
account.
for the customer. It's only a lookup in the employer. How do we get rid of this for this page, for this customer?
Um, oh,
me.
my bad.
Okay, you got to go into the page layouts.
Oh, page layout. Okay.
Yeah, it's the up there, on the where it says account. Yeah, go now. What page layout are we looking at for
Oh,
Taste
the
Craft?
customer.
Right, click on that. Go to the related list on the bottom, all the way down. Okay, go to job postings, down, keep on going. Okay, get rid
Oh,
of it. Okay, save it. Now it's gone for the customer because it doesn't make sense for the customer.
yeah. Oh, I don't know. I get. Yeah.
Well, you scroll down, you'll see that there's no job posting.
Yeah. There's no job.
Okay, now go to Taste Craft Food that you have on the left. Refresh it. Scroll down. No job posting, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now go back to your employer, which is the employer.
Employers.
That's your Bloom Fire. Scroll down. There's your job posting.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see how you change things around?
Yeah.
Okay. Now again, we have a problem, right? The problem is that we um we want this to look better, right?
Yeah.
How do we do that?
Oh, we want this to look better.
Well, I don't think it looks nice, do you?
Oh, we need to get rid of this.
Come on, women are supposed to like aesthetics, and you're supposed to like fashion and all this. You want this to look better, don't you?
That's right.
How do you fix it so it looks better?
We're gonna have to edit this.
Yep. How do you do that?
Um, I guess I'm gonna have to add a new tab.
Well, Jermaine doesn't like that.
Yeah, I don't know, Jermaine. What do you think, Jermaine?
I'm staying out of it. Do it your way.
Well, what do you mean? We are
Do
discussing.
it, do it your way. You got to learn how to do this. There are many different ways to doing this, but go ahead.
Yeah, I know that one way. But I
Do
remember.
it the way you're comfortable with.
Okay.
What do I know? I know nothing. And you want to go and say, because you're something. And you just stay today. And you just don't pay. Hmm.
I want the title as well. Okay, that should be it. You could just move things around. Probably put the title up first. Okay.
I'm gonna check out the related,
Mm-hmm. Yep.
and then I am going to save.
Okay, but wait a minute. Before you save, what is the name of this page?
The name of this page.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is the detail.
No, not what you're pointing at. The name of the entire page.
Oh, the name of the entire page. This is the Bloomfire layout,
No, no. See, you're not understanding it. Okay. You see on the right side there?
right
On the
side.
right. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. What do you click? Whenever you click on something, it puts the details here, right? What have you clicked on?
Right now.
What is it showing that click that you are focusing on?
Um, well, it show the
Like click on details.
okay, detail.
How do you
Oh,
know how do you know this is the details that you're seeing on the right side?
oh, because it says here,
Right. Now click on the top again.
top here.
Yeah. What are you
Oh,
highlighting here? That
the
is called the
pan,
what?
highlight panel.
Okay. Click on the details again. How do you know this is the record detail?
Because we highlighted it.
And how do you know this is what you're focusing on? Because
We selected it.
no, look on the right side.
Oh,
It tells you what you're focused on.
yeah.
Click on activity
Activity. What is act?
on the right, the box on the right. No, activity, the small box in the canvas area to your
Oh,
left.
to the left. Oh,
Activity. No,
yeah.
no, 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 no. On the go where the details is.
Detail.
Go to the right of that, the box on the right.
The box on
The
the right.
small on the right, the small box.
Oh, I'm
No,
confused.
no. You see that there are two big boxes? There's a big box there and a small box on the right. On the right,
Oh, this one.
this.
Got it. Huh.
Click on that.
Okay.
What are you focusing on here?
On the tabs.
Right. The tab for this one. Click into that box there.
Which box?
The one that scroll, just move your cursor. It's right there. Click it.
This?
Yeah, just
Okay.
click.
Okay.
What are you focusing on here?
Activities.
Okay, you understand how you know where you're focusing
Yeah.
because you all you have to do is look on the right and
Yes.
you see what you're focusing on. Now I'm asking you to focus on the page. How do you do that?
Oh, this is the page.
Right. How do you know you're on the page?
Because this is where I'm focusing on, and it's
Exactly. What's the name of the page?
account record page.
And I'm saying we want to change this to what? What's a better name for this? Because this page isn't should be more related to the employer.
Oh, well, we can say employer record page.
Yes. Or employer account record page.
Okay.
Okay, just put an underscore and get rid of the one. Okay. Now, save this. Okay, don't cancel this. Why do we want to activate this?
We want to activate it so it can be so our page can be updated on the um
And
when we
and
click toolbar.
and how do you want it to be updated before we activate it? Who this page should show up for what kind of account?
The employer account.
Exactly. Okay, so and the employer account, the employer is what? It is a what? Employer
Is
is
an
what?
account
No, it's a what did you create to make this an employer? You created something, remember?
record type?
Yes. So
Mhm.
remember, the record type for this to display appropriately, the record type must be a employer,
Yes.
right? So activate this. Okay. Now there's three things here. Org default. No, we don't want to make this an org default. Leave that. App default. No, we don't really. Why don't we want to make it an app default? So click on the tab app default. Why don't we don't want to really do this. Why not? Because the record type is important to us for this display.
Um,
What's important about the record type? Why did you create the record types?
um, we created the record types um because we have so many record types on Dog.
No,
And
no,
this
you don't have so many record types. You do now,
yeah,
but you didn't before. Why did you create the record type?
Um, Jermaine. Jermaine. Oh, Jermaine left. Hmm.
Okay, that's fine. So remember, you had different accounts that that doesn't make sense to be an employer because you had landlords and other things.
Yeah.
So you needed to have a record type because the view doesn't make sense for every kind of account. So we
Mm-hmm.
need record types. Now the view you created is for an employer, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't make sense to be an app default. We really need to say for this app and the record type employer, that's what we want it for. And you see the third tab,
Oh, yeah, there's app record type and profile.
right? But the profile we don't really care about. That's fine. Just click on app record type. Yeah. And assign the button there. Okay. Now we want to say for the app, which is called this one is called
Application.
j jobs or something like some Salesforce jobs or
Oh,
something.
yeah.
Yeah,
So,
job hunting. Okay, next. Okay, and say next. For which record type? We created this for
employer.
only the employer. That's fine. Click on that. Next. Okay. And you could just put it just for us, which is the system admin, and
Okay.
say next. And then you could say save. Okay. Now, save this. Okay. Now go back. Now this will show up this way our uh, for our record type of employer,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Does this make sense now?
Yeah, no, this makes sense. I actually never used the third option.
I know. But the problem is that when people are doing things, they never really explore what they're doing, and so they only do just the small bits and pieces that you do with me. Problem is you should be doing much more than that. You should be really understanding much of what you're doing, not just the things we do, you see?
Yeah.
Because the problem is you're going to say you have experience, but you don't really have experience. The only way to get experience is if you keep on doing things, you know. Otherwise, if you only do what we do, you only get the small experience that we get. And then you see how difficult it is to learn because you only do it once and you forget, you know. This is why I
Now,
keep on telling people you got to go into Salesforce and continue to do it again and again and again.
again and again and again. A
And
question.
explore what you're doing with other things too. Hmm. Yeah.
Question. Shouldn't contacts be added to this?
Yes, it should be added to this.
So you got to add contacts to this job posting.
Hmm. Like who's the contact for this? Who's the HR contact? Hmm. So first of all, what is a contact to an account? Mhm.
Oh, are you asking me? Oh, Jermaine.
Well, you first, and then Jermaine can answer if you're
Oh,
having
okay.
difficulty.
I know the answer. So
Um, oh, okay. So what was the question, Lou?
Okay, what are contacts to an account?
Ah, okay. So contacts, these are the people who are working on the company.
Okay, but in terms of Salesforce, you see how job postings is something to an account? What is job postings to an account?
What is job posting into an account?
Right. What is it?
Um,
How would you describe it if an interviewer was saying, "Hey, what's the job postings to an account?"
well, I'll say the job posting. This is the um companies.
No, the account is the company.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Oh,
What are you looking at here? What is this called?
I'll answer it. Same
welcome.
time.
Oh, okay,
Mhm.
Jamin, can you take a lead, please?
The account is the parent,
Okay.
and the
And
contacts is the postings is the child, because you can't have a job posting without the job or the company itself posting the
that's
job.
children. So you could say children because it's
Children,
multiple.
right? Children, right?
Okay. And you could have also said a related list
Okay,
because the account has a related list of job postings.
that's why when
N-
I got rid of a related list, but go ahead.
No, but because when you're working with the app, uh, build the Lightning App Builder, it's called a related list. Now, Happiness, do you remember this is called a related list?
Yeah.
The same related
And
list that you deleted. That's why I said I would have done it that way, but
Jamin,
I
I
let you
asked
do it.
you to show us your way, but you didn't want to.
No, because I wanted you to do it the way you feel comfortable.
But I also wanted to learn your way.
Well,
Mhm. Okay, now hold on. So an account also has contacts, right?
mhm.
Yeah.
And so those contacts is a what? Happiness?
Oh, the contacts?
Is
Those
a
are
what to the accounts?
the people who are working in the company?
Yeah, what is it? What are they to the accounts? They are
Contacts?
No,
contacts are
think of a family. A family, you have what?
A family?
In a family, you have two different types of people. In a family,
remember remember what you want to have with the yes.
Hmm?
every family has to have a parent, and eventually they're going to have what?
Children?
Children or a child, right?
Wait, what did Lou say?
What
I
you
think
wanted to have with
my
Jeff.
mind was late to catch up. Yeah, okay,
Yes,
chill.
what you wanted to have with Jeff, right?
He say, what did he say? He said dog.
No, we're teaching her child. Okay, now hold on. But again, job posting is not only children, it's really a related list,
Yes.
right?
Yeah,
So you have to memorize this happiness related list, right?
related.
It's a list that is related to the account, right? Contacts, it's related to accounts. So contacts is also a related list
Ah, okay.
because you have many contacts for an account,
Just like
just like you have many.
you have the job
Yeah,
postings for an account.
right. You understand?
Yeah, so contacts is also a related list to their account.
Because you have many contacts for an account.
Ah, okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So if I were to ask you add the contacts here, how would you do that?
Add contacts?
Yes.
Where did it go? I think, oh, we took it out. Oh,
Yes. you, you took it out.
wow.
No,
Uh,
Stop, you're panicking.
I
Take a deep
really,
breath. Take a
I'm,
deep breath.
yeah,
How how
I'm
did
not
you hold
panicking.
on? How did you take it out? What did you use to take it out?
Oh, so I have to go back to the page. I'm actually not
Yes.
panicking, but it's just that
Okay, fair
I
enough.
haven't done this.
Okay, okay,
I was trying to find a way. So I have to go back to edit the page.
right.
Hmm.
Ah, that. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay. And then should I add it on here?
No, it's just like
Okay,
job postings.
job
It's
Oh,
postings.
okay. So I'm
Job
gonna create a new
posting.
tab.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
add tab. Okay.
and what are you going to call this one?
Well, here you might have it because it's a standard.
Standard.
See if it's a standard um list. So see if contacts is in that thing here.
Oh,
If it's
okay.
not, then you just do a custom.
Well,
Oh,
can't she just do related list and then put job postings and contacts in that related list? Isn't
Yeah,
that
she could do that too, but I would just put it as a separate one, like she's doing.
oh yeah.
okay?
I don't think it's here. Oh, oh yeah. No, it's
Yes,
no.
it is.
Where
Hold
is
on,
it?
content. Oh, I'm sorry, I saw it the wrong
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. See, the problem is this list is so damn long. Like
Yeah, it is.
you don't even want to click on it. Just go to custom and type it.
Okay. Contact.
Hmm.
Contacts.
Yeah. No.
Contact.
Yeah. Okay.
And um mm,
So remember what is it? Contacts is a
what's the related list?
right. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Just go to the search up there.
Oh, related list is here. Oh, search. Okay.
Yeah, just type in list.
List.
Okay, and you see you have many options.
Ah,
You have dynamic related list single, you have related list single, you have related list. Which one are you going to pick?
uh, dynamic related
Okay.
list.
Yep, go ahead.
Oh, I need to drag it. Contacts.
Hmm.
Contact name, title, email, phone number.
Yeah, that's good enough
Okay.
because you should, and the title should also tell you if it's the HR person. That's
Yeah.
one reason why you have it. So just save it and go back out.
Oh, we don't need to activate it.
No, it's already activated. This you're on the employer account record.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right.
See?
Ooh. Yeah.
Okay. Now I do want to tell you guys this should not really be learning. This should you should be practicing all that because otherwise it's very difficult to get to more advanced things, right? This is all really basic,
Mhm. Yeah.
you know. The question is when are we going to get past the basics? Because that's stopping us from really going to something more advanced, which is what you're really going to need for future jobs.
Mm-hmm.
And this takes a lot of time, right? Because it's already 10:30.
Yeah.
Um, I kind of want you guys to really understand your basics because this is really still basic, setting up your screens, making it look nice, relating the things together. You know, how are you guys going to practice it before I come on? Can we set up some schedules where you're practicing?
Oh, practicing this?
Yes. Not, I mean, this, all the basics, because the basics is kind of getting lost by not practicing. How are you going to do that? In other words, I don't want you to be practicing with me. You're supposed to be learning with me. And 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 this while you're learning, it's because you didn't get past the basic. So how are you going to put time to learn it and memorize it and understand it?
Mm.
What's the strategy? You know how you got your degree, happiness? You put in a lot of time and then you studied
Yeah.
and you practice.
Mm-hmm.
How are you going to do that so that I don't have to be the person helping you study, right? That you get beyond that so we can learn newer things. You know, because this is too slow, really, if you're really trying to learn enough to get to a position. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm actually putting maybe like 2 hours a day, like
Hmm.
practicing.
Are you doing that now or you're not doing that now?
Oh, I'm doing that. Like today I was going over the previous video where we started creating the app,
Hmm.
job Salesforce job hunting app, and
Hmm.
see what we did. And I was also trying to figure out, like how you say on the previous session, that we didn't use the best practice, the account and contact.
Hmm. Okay. But
Yeah.
now you have to you have to understand these concepts, parent-child, related lists, these things.
Mm-hmm.
How are you going to remember them?
By
Because,
practicing.
yeah, I'm just saying it seems like these are things that I thought was learned, but it didn't quite sink in. So it gets confusing. Record type seems to have gotten lost somewhere. You know, if we wind up going back to the basics, then we can't get beyond
Well,
a
okay.
certain point.
Like, okay. So, and I know what you're asking. So, like, let's say for Happy and I this Wednesday, because you got a couple of different apps. You got one for your walking and one for your e-commerce, right?
Mhm.
You have a walking app and you also have an e-commerce app, right?
Yeah.
And they both do different things, right?
Hmm.
So we could this Wednesday we could do page layouts and record types for that. So this way you get more hands-on practice doing that.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
because Lou is right that, I mean, because we're using him really to kind of go back over the basics of things that we kind of already should know, both of us, you know.
Yeah, you have to think about it this way. You have some person that is capable of teaching you way beyond what you know. But you're asking me to come back and teach you the small basics that, you could learn by yourself or practice by yourself. But if you stay in the world of basics, it's going to be very difficult for you to wind up getting a job, or if you get a job, to actually do the job. No. So you have to make a decision on how you want me to spend my time with you, just going through basics like this, or do we want to get beyond the basics? Do you see what I mean? How do you really want me to spend my time with you? right? Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me give you something to do. Okay, go back to your job postings.
Hmm.
Just
Okay, you see all of these companies?
Mhm.
All of these companies should really be accounts. And you only have one that is an account. That's the Bloomfire. How are you going to create accounts for all of these companies? What's the easiest way?
I think I have an idea. What do you think, Happy?
I think, Jermaine, you can go ahead this time. That'll be great.
Okay. Use, like, let's say, import wizard or data loader.
Yeah. How would you first create the file for importing?
Okay. Um, okay. So I'm on the right path. Okay. I just wanted to make
Yeah.
certain. Yeah. Okay. So obviously company name.
No, no, no. How would you create the file?
How would I create the file? So like I would export.
Okay, you're saying, Jermaine, you have to slow things down sometimes. What you're saying is that you would go ahead and do an export either in data loader or you'll do a
Import.
report and do an export.
Right.
Okay. Now, Happiness doesn't know this. Happiness, this is something new for you.
Yeah, I think I only did on the trailhead. I didn't do it like this. So
Okay.
this is
Do you
for
do you know how to create a report?
create a report?
Yeah, do you know how?
Yeah.
Okay, let's create a report on company.
Okay.
Well, it's going to be on job posting because that's where you have your company.
X out of it.
Uh,
Jobs applied to me.
No, but we don't want this, Jermaine. We want a brand new one.
Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry. Sorry. New
Yeah,
report. Okay. I see what you're saying.
job posting, right?
yeah,
Not with applications.
no, because
Okay.
you need to create accounts with just the unique
Understand.
companies.
Okay.
Okay, start your report. Okay, now what are we trying to do? We're trying to get the company name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get our company name. Okay, okay. Now we don't want any repetition. How do we get rid of the repetition? Okay, well, let's try it this way. Instead of my job postings, switch it to all job postings. Okay, apply that. Okay. Now, what you want is go back to the outline and get rid of the job posting number. You don't need that. Okay, refresh it. So, can we get a list of only the unique? Do you know what unique means, Happiness?
Different?
Right. So it, in other words, there's no repetition. You see how 7 and 8 is repeated?
Yeah.
We don't want that. We just want the unique. Jermaine, do you know how to do that?
No, not off the top of my head. I have to think it through.
Okay. If you were to look here, where would you go?
Oh, that under that down arrow next to company name.
Right. Okay, see if there's no unique, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
Show
yeah,
unique.
yeah. Click on that. Okay, refresh.
Wow, that was a good guess by me.
Oh, but
Oh, but it's still here.
yeah, it's still there. Run this. Let's see if running it is gonna work. No. Okay, drop it down again and see. Oh, no, no, it is. I see the problem. No, no. Uh,
Look
do
at it.
no, no, don't click at it. Okay. Go to number 7. Okay. Can you go on top of it? Let me see if you can open it. No. Okay. Do an edit here. Okay. Add the uh, add the job posting as well. The number, job posting number. Okay. Run this again. Okay. You see 7 and 8?
Mm-hmm.
There's a problem. What do you think the problem is?
Oh, this job has been posted twice.
No. This is just the company names. What's the problem here?
Oh, you know what, Lou? What I'm thinking?
Hmm.
I think when this job was posted, the same company, but they had two different job uh title.
No. Right click on 4 and open it up. No, no. Oh,
Ooh, sorry.
it's okay. It's 4 and 5, I think. You lost the report because we didn't save it.
Ooh,
That's okay. We know it's 4 and 5. Open up number 5.
okay.
But I want 4 and 5 to be together.
Oh, um, oh, 4 and 5 here.
Yeah. Oh, right click and open. Oh, I happiness, go back one. Okay. Go to number 4 and 5. Okay. No, just don't do anything, but do you have a right click? Go on top of it and right click. No, on top of it.
On top of it, like that.
Yeah,
Here.
right click. Yeah. You see it says open a new link and a new tab. That's it.
Mhm.
Now go to number 4 and do the same thing. See, now they're both on top there. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Click on one, that one. Okay. And click on the other one. Okay. There's a problem with the company name. What do you think is the problem with the company name between
Mm,
both of them? What do you think, Jermaine?
Um, I'm sorry. You said there's a
The
problem with the company name?
company name
company name is different.
or financial policy
It's
or
not the same.
really?
What am I seeing? Missing.
I know. I
Okay.
think the
Do
LLC. Go ahead.
do do
Go
an
back to
edit.
the other one.
Yeah, go ahead.
What am I missing? Yeah. They look the same to me.
They look the same. Do an edit on this one.
edit.
Okay, highlight the whole thing.
Oh,
Okay,
the whole thing.
no, double click in Fora. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Now go to the other one. Edit. Okay, highlight it. Okay. Use your right arrow and go to the end.
To the end. Oh, to the
Yeah.
end here.
No, no, not the beginning, the end.
Oh, the end.
Use your right arrow.
My right arm. Oh, uh,
Nothing?
nothing.
Okay, go to the other one. Use your right arrow.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. I think that I thought there was a space there somewhere that that because I noticed sometimes you put a space by accident. Okay, okay.
As this has to do with Salesforce
No, no, no. It
Junior?
there's something different between the company name. That's the problem.
Oh,
That's the company
Maybe
name's not.
maybe it's the spelling of it or
No, no.
financial.
I think there is maybe. No, no. I'm pretty sure it's spelled the same. There's must be a space somewhere. It's just not showing here. Um, copy this one.
copy?
Hmm. Okay. Save it. Oh, do cancel. That's fine. That means the other one's going to have a problem too. Right, because you have the hybrid and it needs days in office. Okay. Copy over the Quora. Yeah.
Oh, I copied on the other way, on the first one. Should I press
No,
it or copy
yeah,
it?
you're gonna overwrite this one. Yeah. So copy that, paste it here.
Okay.
Okay. And just save this. So you're gonna get the same errors, but fix that. Days in office, make it like 3 or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And do the nearest on-site city. I don't know what that would be.
Just
New
in
York, just for New York. Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Just save it. All right. Now you still need the same report. Maybe this would have fixed it because the name was slightly different. Now we know the name is the same. So let's create another report. New. Yeah.
Company name, and you can get rid of job posting number, and then you're gonna put the job posting name.
Well,
Click
she
on
has to change her filter.
right to all.
And now try unique. Let's see if it fixed it.
Nope.
No, it didn't fix it at all. Okay, just run this. I don't know why it's showing exactly the same thing. All right, just export this.
Load. I think the reason it is because they both have different job titles.
No, but we got rid of the job title in the report. So it should have given us a unique number. All right, that's fine. Just say export. Well, actually change it to CSV. Export it. Okay. And that's your go into the Excel. Okay, do a unique here. Let's see if this will work.
unique.
Yeah, do you know how to do a unique in the Excel?
No. Um, how do I do that?
Jermaine, do you know?
Well, highlight the whole column of A. Right click, double click in it. First of all, double click to expand it. The A column.
Oh,
Now right click. Let's see. No, I don't know how to do it in Excel.
Okay, there should be a let's see.
Lou,
I
you supposed
think
to be LA. You supposed to be the Excel expert now. Come on.
I can't be the expert at everything. I think if you go all the way to the right where it says sort and
Oh yeah.
filter, click on that. Nope, that's not it. Let's see. Where it says delete, right there. Let's drop that down. No, not that. Uh,
Go to
format.
ChatGPT.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to ChatGPT. Sometimes you
Oh
gotta.
my God. LA, you taught us Excel and you
No, I did. I did it before. I just don't see it over here so easily.
maybe because it's the Mac version of Excel and it's a little
How
different.
to
Find unique names in
Or
Excel.
how to delete unique.
Or how to delete unique names.
do it unique?
Unique
Unique. Yeah, unique cells.
cells in on Excel.
Conditional formatting. Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, data. That's where it is. Okay. No, I know where it is now. It's under data. Okay, so highlight the whole thing again. Okay, now go to data. You see on top, it's there you go. Okay, now advance. You see advance over there? It's in the middle. Mm-hmm. Say okay. And then you see it says unique records only.
Mhm.
Say okay. There you go. And I
Wow.
got rid of the four. There's only one, really. Okay. So this is what you need. Now, how would you import that? First of all, Bloomfire is already there. How would you get rid of this? Just delete that row.
Oh,
You could just right click on the two and yeah, that's good.
table
No,
row.
no, no, delete row on top, the top one. That's it. Okay. Now, is this ready to be imported?
I would say yes.
Now, let me ask Happiness, are we ready to import?
Yes.
Okay, go back to your Salesforce. Okay, go back to accounts. So what's one of the ones that you need to import?
Oh, one of the account we need to import.
Yeah, in that list, in the Excel.
Oh, and that's
Well, Acme, I think Acme and Global Media shouldn't that both be on there too? Because those are accounts for I'm assuming those are for employers.
No, remember we did job postings.
Okay.
Those are accounts, but they're not job posting accounts.
Oh, they're not job posting account? Okay, my
No,
apologies.
they're not in your job posting company name.
I got you.
Okay, you see BTS?
VTS. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you were going to manually do it, how would you do it? If you're going to manually add the account, how would you do it?
Um, Input it.
No,
No,
no.
manually. He said if you're going to manually add BTS to all accounts in Salesforce, how would you do it?
Oh, I'm gonna have to create a
Yeah,
look.
no, Salesforce is right there. How would you add BTS?
To
I'm
to
gonna
the
have
account
to
page.
create, yeah, on back on the account page, and then I'm gonna,
Stay out of Excel. Go back to
yeah,
Salesforce.
Yeah,
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here on the
yeah,
sales.
how would you add BTS?
By creating a lookup
No,
relation.
no, no, no. You're just
You're
going to
already in
create the
account.
account. Yeah.
Right.
So you do that, click on you. What is this?
Oh, this is the record type.
Okay, you need the record type.
Oh,
So
that's what
so
we need.
you
That's
you
right.
both failed here.
Oh,
That file is not ready because you didn't tell it
that
what the record
record
type
type
is.
is. So hit cancel.
No, now hold on. Happiness probably doesn't understand this. You see, Happiness, you need to specify the record type before you create the account.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, now you got to go and put the record type in each in Excel. I'm not in Excel, in Salesforce. You got to go to each account and put in the requisite record type. Where if you did it in Excel, and then it makes it much easier. So okay,
So cancel this.
that's your fault, Lou.
Okay, now look at your Excel. Not only do you need the name, but you need to know what record type is it going to be, because when you say new, it needs to know the record type.
The employer.
So next to company name, put record type.
Here.
And the B at the top.
Oh, record type.
And then
Okay.
underneath the employer.
No, that won't work.
That won't work?
Why not?
Oh, wait a
Actually,
minute. Okay.
actually, no, actually, she could do it this way, but then she's on the import, she's going to have to say that this is a record type name.
Right. So it's
Okay.
better to just do it from the report.
No,
No?
type employer, that's fine. Okay, and just copy it down. Okay, now this is ready. So save this.
So we both failed the test. How dare you? Like, you can't trick us.
And just save for importing or whatever. For account importing. Okay, just save it. Okay, do you have that's fine.
Hmm?
Okay, do you have data loader?
Lou, I think it's better for her to use data loader IO because it's quicker.
Okay, you can use data loader IO.
Yeah, because data loader takes a while to load up and it's just,
But eventually she's going to need to
yeah,
learn how to use it.
use data loader, right.
Okay, there's a website called Salesforce Data Loader IO.
Excuse me.
No, it's called Data Loader IO.io. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
No, it says it
Um,
already.
yeah.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. Yeah,
Check that one.
that's it. Log in with Salesforce. Okay. Mm-hmm. Log in.
Do the dancing and happiness is to you. Cause
Hello?
yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
And you want to import. Oh,
Not
that's
that
just a
one.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. No, you need
cancel
a new
Excel.
task. A
New tab.
new task on the top. Those are just videos. Import. Okay. You can do an insert. Yeah. Click on that. Okay. The
Now
quick
you got
find is, yeah,
right the object. You got
your importing account. You can click on it. No, it's right there. Yeah. Okay. Scroll it down and there must be a next or something like that.
no. She got to click on account.
No. She did.
Oh, because it just says ACC up there. That's why. Okay, go ahead.
Mhm.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Hold
Okay,
on.
no, hold on. So while it says record type employer, that's not going to work. But
You gotta
okay, if you
click
want,
select.
yeah, click select and look for record type.
Type
There's,
R.
yeah, you can just type record. Okay, record type ID. Click on that. Look up value bio. Okay, record type. Okay, the name.
The name.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, following required fields are not map account name. Yeah, so map account name. So
Oh,
close
the first
the
one.
top one, the top one,
Keep going up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
where it
No, no,
says
no, no.
select
Select. Right there. Account name.
account name. So the company name is really the account name. So right,
The
third one
third
down.
one.
Hmm.
Seven run.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Happy. Ah. Oh. Okay, checking file format. It shouldn't take too much longer.
I take it with the PSA, you did a lot of this to me.
No, we did not import thing. They were very strict about that.
Hmm.
Yeah, unfortunately, you got to get approval for a lot of stuff.
Now, happiness,
But
how are
I
you
but I
going?
have done data loader
Hmm.
IO and I've used data loader and data
Hmm.
loader IO and import wizard before, so I'm familiar with how to utilize it. So
Hmm. And happiness, how do you think it might be the best way for you to keep up with like if you did this now and you don't come back to it, you just won't remember how to
Oh,
do stuff like this.
um, let me show you something.
let me show you something. Mm,
I'm
mm, mm.
actually coming back to them.
Hmm.
I have here the session. I'm putting like all the videos
Hmm.
and pretty much like studying,
I
practicing.
see. Oh,
And
good, good.
That's
and
good.
yeah, this is like helping me a lot. I'm going back to the lectures we did, and I am going back to the org and practice them.
Okay.
Nerd.
That's
Sounds good. Sounds good.
why I have been keeping up a lot lately
Hmm.
because I've been putting so much time on.
So you're
So
gonna get what? LA and Apple now teacher's pet.
yeah.
Okay, good. But there's still an issue because, like I said, record type seems to be have been a problem, but it's a normal thing in Salesforce, a very basic thing,
Well,
and that I think you were struggling with that, you
yeah,
know.
I just realized that too.
Mhm.
Yeah, we just got to get as much hands-on practice with that stuff as humanly
Yeah,
possible.
and you have to
Outside
think,
the regular class.
yeah, and you might think that, if you're struggling with basics like record types, then maybe you need more lessons from me so you could really get it. And the second thing is maybe you need to practice more. Now, as much as you're writing these things down, writing down may not be the way that you learn. It might be just that you have to keep on doing.
Well, let me ask you: Is it is it the concept you're struggling with, or do you know specifically what it is you're struggling with, Happy, as far as record types is concerned?
I wouldn't say I'm struggling. I think I need to put more effort on learning about it. I need to dive more.
So really understand the concept of it more, like,
Yeah, I need to dive in more and do more practice.
oh, excuse me. All right.
Yeah.
So on
Oh,
like say on Wednesdays and stuff like that, because we don't need Lou to meet with us every time, but like on Wednesdays, we can have that as a practice day to, where we practice these things together, things where we're kind of weak on. So
Yeah, we can do that.
Jermaine, this is not working out that well.
yeah, apparently this is not. Why not?
Then I'm not so sure. Okay, X this out. Maybe it won't do it. Okay. Refresh this. Maybe it did do it. Who knows?
It did
Yeah.
do it, but it got 3 bloom fires.
Yeah. Why did it get 3 bloom fires? It shouldn't have created. Oh, no, no. Yeah. Yeah. Why did it create? Oh, and it duplicated everything.
Ooh, we have the forest
Yeah.
back.
Okay, so we got to clean that part up, but
Yeah. You
but
could
at
delete it.
least, but right.
Let's delete it so that you could delete 2 of them. But
Delete.
you have to delete 2 of the bloom fires because they're repeated.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait a minute, because this is including all the other, like the customer and the prospect record type as well. All accounts. So this does not include. This does not just show just the account, the companies for the employer record type.
Yeah, wait, right. Actually, add here the record type as another column. Let's see if you can remember.
Oh, I need to add a column.
That gear. Go to the gear
Mm-hmm.
icon.
Oh, a new column. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Select fields to display.
New.
Select field to display.
What column am I adding again?
The record
Record
type.
type. It would be under R. So no, it doesn't show there.
No,
Okay.
but it might be account record type. There it goes on
Oh,
top.
there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure that that came in too. Just say save. Oh, good. See? Okay. So you could just delete. You have to know uh, which one of the bloom fires to delete. So just click in one. So go to the bloom fire and right click and say open new. Yep. Same thing for that one. And then the third one. Okay. See which one has a
2 and 3.
job postings.
Click on job posting, right?
You could delete this one.
Mm.
This one you can't delete.
So
That
delete
one.
that.
Mhm.
That's going to be. So just delete it. No, yeah, delete it.
Can
Yeah.
I delete from here?
Mm,
hmm
delete.
And this you could delete. Okay. You could X this out and
Put
the other one
Billy
too.
Jean, not mine.
Okay. Now, this one you could X out because this one we're keeping. No, you could just
Oh,
X this out
yeah.
and go back to the all. Okay, so that's fine.
Refresh.
Not that. Okay, there's 2 ways to refresh happiness. That's one way, but there's a different way. Look at the right side where the buttons are.
Oh,
That's
this
the other
one.
way. Yeah,
Ooh,
you want to do that mostly.
okay.
Okay. Now, you see the number 15 and 16, the four financials?
Now
Yeah.
Okay.
those two do have different
Oh, yeah.
No,
job
no,
posts.
but we
Okay.
didn't link them yet, so you could
We didn't
delete
link
one
them.
of them.
Okay.
So
Well, you
delete
know
one.
what? They didn't hire us anyway, so screw them. You can delete. Oh, dare they?
Okay. There we go. Hmm. Okay. So now what's the next step once you have the accounts?
Now the contacts.
No, no. You have to go now to your job postings. Go to your job postings. And each one of these job postings, you need to
Oh,
put,
the account.
yeah. Now, what's the easy way to do it? Well,
Oh, the easy way to add the account.
yeah.
Hmm.
1 second. Oh, you need to add here. Job
Well,
posting.
that's the way you would normally do it individually. How
Yeah.
would you
But
do a
imagine if you
mass?
got to do that right for 50 different companies.
And you do have to do it for quite a lot of companies.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Um, I don't know.
No, we did it? Remember what we did for accounts? We imported it. So you would do the same thing. You would export and then you would import here.
Oh, okay.
So you do go to reports, actually.
A new report.
So you think you guys can handle that? Because it's after 11 now.
You know what? Let's do this for Wednesday. So this way, when Lou meets with us on Friday or something, this is already done.
Yeah. Now, keep on remembering that you could read your notes and watch your videos, but unless if you're actually doing it, you still may not remember. You really have to do it hands-on. You understand what I'm saying? And that requires time and effort. Like Jermaine learned a lot by working, but I think because he was always in Salesforce and he did the work. I think you have to really be in Salesforce. You have to do it in
Yeah,
order to make it stick.
and he's not wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
you have
so
to,
we got a game plan for Wednesday. We know what we're gonna do, you know, to
hmm
help clean this up a bit. And so come
yeah,
Friday when we meet with you again, Lou, you know, you can already
yeah.
see.
Hmm. Right? You see how this kind of makes sense with how to do things?
Yeah.
Hmm. And
Hmm.
Happy, in the meantime, before we meet on Wednesday, can you download Data Loader to your desktop, the actual Data Loader itself instead of the Data
Oh,
Loader IO?
let me put it here on to-do list. Download data loader.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Okay.
because it's best to use the file if you can.
Yeah.
But the cheat way is the web
Hmm.
version. But
Mhm.
okay, so we got a game plan for Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how that works out when you're actually doing things, especially if you're doing it on your own, because I know you're going to get stuck and stuff like that. It's the timing when you get stuck that you go to me and say, hey, let's call Lou and find out if I can help you get past it,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Well, we're gonna try to use you as the last resort
One is the last resort. The second thing is
because
I
you're a
shouldn't,
bully.
no.
Yeah, the big guy doesn't like a bully. I'm just kidding.
You're the big guy.
I know, I know. I am the big guy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
No, so you have to think of it this way. You should not be using me for basics. You should be using me to advance your knowledge, because if I'm teaching you the basics, number one, that's showing me that you haven't really passed the basics. And number two, it's you're not getting more advanced than you should.
Hmm.
Hmm.
I got you.
Right?
All right.
All right. So let's see how this kind of works out.
Okay, yeah.
All right, guys.
Okay, thank you, Lou.
Sounds good. I'm gonna log off, but you guys keep on if you need to.
No, I'm gonna call it a night because
Yeah. Okay, see you Wednesday, Jermaine.
Okay, Wednesday,
Okay,
same
guys.
bat time, same bat channel.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, same
okay,
time. Okay.
All right.
Batman. Okay,
Have a good night,
good
guys.
night.